Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have myself a new bike seat here. I was using this bike seat and I'll show you guys what happened to it. I don't know what happened to it actually. It broke as I was riding and then kind of fell to the side and got hurt. So that was very painful. I don't know how they put this thing together, but very poorly it looks like. So time to switch it up and try a new one. So let's try to put this one on the bike and see how it goes. It looks like it's by G-Lib maybe. Let's give it a shot. Yeah, see what it looks like. So here it is. That's what it looks like. This is what it comes with. It doesn't come with any other screws or mounting stuff or anything, I guess. It's just this. So it'll hook up onto my existing stuff as long as I don't break it all on the process. There we go. So there it's hooked up. Looks kind of nice. I was looking at it, it's kind of squishy. It's got some squish to it, which is, oh, you guys can't even see it. Sorry, there. Got some good squish to it. So that'll be nice. And here, I'm not sure how far back I like it or how far forward, but I think I usually like it a little bit forward. Let's see there. And that's as easy as it is to put on a new seat. Just one screw, and there it is. So let's do this thing. Let's get on it here and see what it feels like. I like my bike super high, so stand up on here. And I'm not wearing any bike shorts, but I'll tell you guys what it feels like. Well, it's got a little bit of squish to it because I guess it's got some of the gel in there. But it feels pretty good. So I think it's actually set right too. So I like it. So let's see. Let me get off of here. So give you guys a close-up look. This is it. And see, you can see what I pushed down. It's got a little bit of squish to it in some of these sit bones and stuff. So it's kind of nice. So pretty good. So this is the, I guess, Gubby Bikes is the brand here. So seems good to me. So thumbs up from me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.